friends, how are you today?
Hello.
Today we're going to be reading a book for you. Down by the Station. Remember that book? You guys ready? Ready? Okay. Let's read all together. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the little puffer trains all in a row. See the engineer driver pull the little handle. Shoo, 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 shoo. And up we go. Can you guys see the train? Yes? Okay. Ready for the next one? Down by the station, early in the morning, see the busy buses all in a row. See the bus driver calling to the passengers, vroom, vroom, vroom. Off we go. Did you see the buses too, guys? Yeah? What excited, right? Down by the station, early in the morning, see the muddy tractors all in a row. See the tractor driver loading up the trailer. Chug, 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 and off we go. Did you see them? Yes? That's so excited, isn't it? Yeah, guys. Ready? Down by the station, early in the morning, see the shiny taxi cabs all in a row. See the taxi driver polishing the windows. Beep, 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 and off we go. Yay! Let's see what else we can see. Down by the station, early in the morning, see the great big trucks all in a row. See the truck driver loading up the parcels. Honk, 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 and off we go. Yay! Ready, friends? Early in the morning, see the fire engines all in a row. See the firefighter climbing up the ladder. Nino, Nino, and off we go. Did you see all the transportation, you guys? Did you see the train, the bus, the fire, the truck? What else did you see, guys? Okay, guys, that's all for today. We will see you soon. Next time we're going to be singing. Bye.
Bye, everyone.